Children, I often heard students to have difficulties and telling me, sir, cannot draw figure properly, how to start and how to create them in different movements and all that. So today I'm trying to help you in that regard. See, first of all, we need to draw a very simple way. I would like to teach you a very simple way. Just try a balloon, a very simple balloon with a string, straight above a string and a balloon. So this balloon will be considered as the head of the figure, which is oval in shape, and the string is going to consider as the center line of the body. Okay, now just below it you draw one small shape of a glass for the body. This shape will help you out. And see, this line will form the chest, and here we'll find the navel. Now here I'm drawing another small box like this. From here we'll start the body, the legs, and the knees as we have planned. Now only the hand. So as you can see, first of all we have drawn the head, and from the through the center line we have drawn one box, and then draw a line for the chest and the navel, here joining another box for the pelvic, and then we are continuing with the legs and the hands. So you see, from the navel, if you touch a line like this, the elbows are nearer to the navel. Then if I draw one more line from the crotch point, the wrist will come here. So we have to draw the fingers of the figure till here. From here only it will start. Okay, so this both the sides hands can be drawn, and you see this figure is almost ready, and we can just add the hands like this, and then join the neck, draw the shoulder line and the head with the ears, and the hairstyle that can be done any way. The hairstyle any way you can do. Now one small mark you do from here where the eyes will be. Just we are putting small lines to locate the eyes, the nose and the lips accordingly. The face has been drawn. You see a simple figure of a boy. How can we draw very easily? Now just join the legs with the figure with a block, simple like this, and the figure is complete. A standing boy figure. Now you can wrap it with the clothes like shirt, pant, anything you can draw. So this way, the easy method, we can draw the figures, keeping in mind the proportions and the elevation of the figure. We can do it very neat and tidily, and practice it more and more to have very good sense of figure drawing. Okay, now I'll show you another one which is in different pose while we are drawing the figure in sidewise. How we will draw it, see the oval shape of the figure. Now the block, body block, which is now simply dividing it into the blocks. This circle will help us, oval shape will help us for the body. This will be helping us for the pelvic, and from here we'll draw the knees accordingly to the feet. It is done. If you draw the sketch like this, you will be very confidently and easily you can be able to draw the sidewise figure. See the chest, the ribs, then the pelvic circle, if you consider it as circles. Now see the standing from sidewise, we have drawn almost the same thing, repeat the same thing here also. This socket we have drawn for the hand, the elbow and the wrist accordingly. Now I'll show you in this figure how you can complete the figure sidewise. This is very important. Practice it as much as you can so that the entire thing will, you will understand, and entire thing will be very, giving you a very good feeling of drawing the figure. See the way we have started and the way we are going to complete the figure in standing position. See, gradually we are developing the figure with the mass of the body. So, standing sidewise, you can show the other arm like this. See, it's a standing figure. And when the figure doing some work, suppose he is carrying something. So anytime you draw the figure, you make the gesture or the block of the body in this way so that it will be very much comfortable to give you a very clear outline of the figure. See, holding something in his hand and the pelvic part like that, drawing the legs. Now these kind of figure, practicing with lines, we can draw any kind of figure, like it can be a shepherd boy, it can be any kind of work you can make this boy to do or this figure to do. So always keep sketching. See, as we have drawn with the same block, I am trying to show you that holding a stick, the same position. Now how we are going to complete the figure. Now you can see the figure gradually it is completing. Now putting light and shade, it's a different thing. I will show you some other day how to put light and shade in a figure and how to create it more realistic way. So that is a different thing to show you. We'll definitely learn that. But first of all, you need to practice this sketch so that we can draw the figure without any problem, drawing it a very neat and tidy way and a perfect way, so that all of you can learn how to create the figure in a standing position. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed how to learn the figure from the basic. Hope you all have learned, and please do practice, because that will gives you the perfection and draw well, very well. Thank you.